Hello, good day. My name is Candy. In this tutorial, I quickly want to put you through on how to manage your website, and we are going to be looking at different things in this tutorial, which are the components of the website. So the first one is the home page, followed by the about, contact, vision, animation, feedback, webmail, and gallery. And the home page is the most important, and I would like us to start with the home page, because at the end of this training piece you are expected to be able to manage all these pages, all these 7 pages, and you're expected to be able to edit the content on the pages, and that's it. So let's just get started with it. Now this is the website will be editing. It's Absolute Success Travels Ltd. Now the first thing you have to do on this place is to mouse over to this members login and click on it. Now there's difference between the members login and this webmail. So you click on this members login if you want to edit the website. So you use this one for the webmail. I'm still coming there, so just click on it. After you have clicked on it, it will bring you to this page. Now as you can see, the username and password is what you have to do is to request it from your server admin, because without for you to be able to edit this home page, to do that, this is it. So just click on these pages, and it will load all the pages. everything inside these brackets. Don't tamper with them. If you want to edit anything, it should be this headline. So just the flight booking, you edit it to anything you want to do, then you click on save. In this case, as you can see, this is a particular link. Click here to contact us for your flight booking. Now if you want to link a particular thing on this page, let's say you have managed to delete this link, it's been deleted, and you want to link the click here again. So all you just have to do is to highlight the click here, you click on it and drag, then you click on link, this link. So after clicking on the link, it will ask you to input the on this black small button. Then you probably need to search for the website. Let's say you want to link to contact page. It will search for it and pop it up. Now I don't know why it's not popping it up, but it's on normal they're supposed to search for it and pop it up. Then you click on it, it will display the link in this place. Well, in the case where it did not display, you just need to type the website address. You start with HTTP, you put column and double slash, and then you type the name of the website. Let's say Absolute Success. Absolute Success Travels ltd.com/contacts. They wrote contact. Mind the spelling. If the spelling is wrong, the link is not going to work perfectly. So the next thing is that you just click on add link, and then once you click on the add link, it will automatically add the link like this, and by the time you save it, it will show the link. I'm not going to be saving this one because this is for the purpose of the training, and after you are done editing the page, so all you just have to do is to come to this update here and update. It is very important you remember to update each time you work on a particular column. Each time you work on a particular column, it's important that you click on update here, and as you can see, on this side we have status of the website, publish, visibility, public, revisions 28. That is 28 people has actually visited the page, and you can leave the rest the way they have. Now there is one thing in this place. We are still on the home page. Now we want to see how we could change this main picture. I'm going to show you how to fix these ones very soon, but firstly let us see how to change this admin picture and the names. Let's just go to the edit page. As you can see, this is the picture of the admin 1, the picture of the admin 2, and all you just have to do is to come to display. The same principle applies. You click on this edit button. So after you click on the edit button, it will load the page like this, the way it's loading now, and then you click on add picture. You can only add one picture. It's already there. I want to believe you understand. Just click on this add picture, and there are two things that you could do in the add picture menu. You could decide to upload new picture. You click on this place, upload, then select the picture from your computer from this place, or you use the picture that's existing on the library before by clicking on the library and selecting the picture. You click on the library and you will select the picture, click on set image. So in this place we are not going to be changing the picture, just have to like close it because the picture is already there, and you can cancel this one. You leave the rest the way they are. The settings for the sizes or size of the image, and the same thing goes with this one. So you click on the edit, then change the picture. The same rule go to this name. You can decide to change the name. You click on edit, you click on edit button. The tab is loading, so you click on the edit button, and you edit it like the text and the visual shows when you want to edit the flat booking. The same way this one too will show. Alright, this is a visual. Just click on the text, then the text will bring the name. This is the name. Make sure that you leave this headline the way it is here. So if you want to edit anything, just edit what's inside this place. So as you can see, what I highlighted, it did not cover this bracket, this greater than and small, yeah, less than, greater than, less than. So that's it. Then you mind these codes as well. Then you edit this. If you want to change it to CEO or any other thing, fine. Then click on save. So in this case, I'm not going to save. I'm just going to cancel it. I'm going to cancel it. And remember, after you edit anything, you click on update here, or you just scroll up and click on the update here, and click on the update here. So having done with that on the home page, so the next thing is to go and find a way to edit the partners, these ones. So you find a way to edit the partners, and it's very simple to edit the partners. All you need to do is to click on this slider, this slider, this particular, the slide set manager. This is the slider. You click on all sliders, so it will load the slider in this place. As you can see, we only have one slider here, which is our partners. Then you click on edit. So after clicking on the edit, it will bring us to the page where the partners are located. Now I want to quickly take you around this thing, and this slider delay in seconds is the time in between the movement of the slides. Now for instance, these ones will move at a particular time. So the time in between the movement is the time of the slider, and that's the transition time. The transition time is the time it takes to change from one slide to another. That is transition time. They are image per slide. Now this image, the number of images you want on this particular box, as you can see, from this place to this place. How many images do you want to display? Is it 1 or 2 or 3? So in this case we chose 6. Where is it? And this is it. If you change it to 5, it will have effect. If you change it to 7, you can even change it to 10, but it will be too small and it may not really make enough sense. And another thing is that any image you want to add to the slider must be in this size, 150 by 150. If you want to change the size, fine, but I think 150 by 150 is the best. You could decide to make it 1024 by 1024, 300 by 300, but I think 150 by 150 is the best for a logo of partners. So you leave the left, enable navigation arrow. This is the arrow they are talking about, particular arrow here and arrow here. You can use it to manually change the displays of the display of the website. Enable random order, that is, it will randomize the logos. That is, it will not display them the way they are laid down here. It will interchange them. So that's it. Now how do you add another slide? It's very simple. You just scroll down to the bottom of the slide, then you click on add new slide. After clicking on add new slide, it will show this particular form. So you just give it a name, give it the slide a name. The name is not going to show, but it's going to show when you mouse over the slide like this. Here France, let me see, Qatar, as in Qatar Airlines, as in, you see that image here France, see the British, the British is not showing. Let me try it again. Here's the Turkish. Okay, well actually it will show the, okay, as you can see, the Qatar Airline, the, okay, Nanta, the Lufthansa, the British, okay, the British showed, as you can see. Now this is the name, that this is where you put the name. So you just put, let's say you want to put IATA, then you leave the URL the way it is. You don't need to link it to anything. Then you click on upload. The same principle of the upload, the old, or you could either decide to pick the upload from the library, or you upload from file. From this, just click on upload from file, then select from your computer. If you already have the image there, then you just click on submit, select. So this is it. You can choose, click on the library, choose any of the images you want to use, then you can, then after the image as shown here, then click on select. So if you click on the select, I have clicked on the select, it will display the image here, as you can see, but it will resize it to 150 by 150 no matter how big the image is. It will just crop out 150 by 150 from the middle. That's how it does things. It will not resize as in resize, it will just crop out the 150 by 150 from the middle. So if you don't want the image, all you just have to do is to click on this red button, and you could decide to upload it again. Then after you are done with all those things, then you come here and click on update. This update, make sure you update, remember to update. If you do not update, it will not show on the website. So if you want to remove a image, all you just have to do is to come to this place and click on remove. So if you click on remove, it asks you here, are you sure? That is, are you sure you want to remove it? Then you click on OK. It will remove this United. Bam, it has removed. Now if you want to change the order, let's bring this arrow below this one. So all you just have to do is to click on the arrow and drag it downward, and it will come down. Let's say you want to put it under the Turkish, then you just click it and drop it, and I think that's okay. Now then you click on update. In this case, I'm not going to be updating this because it will really disrupt this there, but you can give it a try, give it a shot, you'll be able to do it. So the next thing here is to be able to edit this testimonial. Go to the dashboard and click on post. We have the testimonials on this page. So just look for the testimonial you want to edit, then you click on edit. So can come back to this. Depending on how you want the testimonials to be, these things are in order. Please, and you click on quick edit, and you change this order from 0 to like 10, or simply backdate it. If you backdate the testimony, if the date is lower than the date of the other testimonials, it will automatically go behind them. So automatically the one that has the earliest down to the one that add to the oldest date. I don't know if you understand. If this is 0, this is 20, and the time is 16:14. Now if I post another testimony and it is 25 June 2015, but the time is 13 seconds, that is 16:13. Following testimonial you want to display, you make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will start from the eldest, which means it will start displaying from 5, the 5th testimonial, to no, sorry, it will start from the 0 testimonial, followed by the 1, followed by the 2, followed by the 3. You have been able to, you have learned one of them. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit